Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing artifacts and verifying prerequisites so the update succeeds. Check the publisher version and confirm signing keys are valid. This avoids deployment failure. Once done, gather updated binaries, the new installer, manifests, and a concise changelog so users and systems can detect changes. Make sure to snapshot or backup the existing publisher configuration and repository. That backup is your rollback lifeline if verification fails. Start the process only when checks pass and files are complete. Next, you apply changes and validate them in a controlled environment. Update manifest metadata, version numbers, dependency ranges, and checksums, because systems depend on that consistency. Then sign packages with authorized keys and push to a staging repository so you can test identity and integrity. Execute automated integration and targeted smoke tests in staging to exercise installers and upgrade paths. This confirms the publisher behaves as expected. If tests reveal issues, iterate on fixes before proceeding to production. Finally, deploy the updated publisher carefully and monitor outcomes in real time. Promote signed artifacts from staging to production and perform a rolling deploy so you limit blast radius. Watch logs, health metrics, and early user feedback to catch regressions quickly. Make sure rollback procedures and restore points are ready in case you must revert. If a deployment fails, a common fix is to restore the backed up config and repromote a known good package. That often stabilizes services while you diagnose the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.